You got blocks in there? All right, Grayson, go, buddy. Make it go. Can you make it run? There you go. Good.
I think Brian Kelly, along with Chip Kelly, really growing in popularity around the country with how much they mean to their programs.
What's the matter?
Brian Kelly is doing, and Des just talked about it. He's been tremendous.
You're almost too big for that, aren't you, babe? Yeah, that broke. Yeah, that broke. But you didn't break it. It was already broken. Uh-oh, your pants are wet. We need to change your diaper, don't we? You wet your pants? I'll change in a minute.
Hayden has a future as a mail carrier. He's tearing up the mail. That's a good job.
You like that?
Ready for delivery now.
There he goes. Go, Grayson.